identification. He's on droid we're looking for. Come on.
Whoa, wait!
What? What's the problem?
What are you doing?
I'm working.
You're gonna cut up a perfectly good stormtrooper helmet?
Yeah.
You realize we'll get blasted in the comments for this, right?
I'm okay with it. We love horror movies around here. Horror is not necessarily something you find in the Star Wars universe. There is, however, an exception. The work of Joe Schreiber and his novel, Death Troopers. Flesh-eating zombie stormtroopers. What could be better, my friends? Well, I'll tell you. For me, it's taking a perfectly good stormtrooper bucket and decimating it beyond all recognition, leaving nothing but a purely horrifying and rotting creature in its place. Yep, that satisfies my geek and morbid personality just fine. Our shopmate, TKMRK, or Mark for short, has found himself with a bit of a problem. You see, he let little Ricky the Rancor out of his box, and that's what started this whole mess. Now, I'm not saying that Joel Schreiber's book indicates that an infectious mini Rancor was the source of the plague that transformed his stormtroopers into zombies. I'm simply saying that for us, it quite possibly could be the cause of our friend's current situation. That, and I love the idea of mini Rancors. Furthermore, I love the idea of rabid Rancors that could easily carry a disease worthy of creating zombies. After reading Joe's Death Troopers, as well as Red Harvest, I spent a good deal of time thinking about how there's a lot of opportunity for horror within Star Wars. It's certainly an interesting idea, don't you think? A lot of potential. Consider Endor, a group of once cuddly little Ewoks gone bad, and suddenly hunting you through the forest could be both terrifying and hilarious. Or perhaps seeing under the hood of the Jawas. Who knows what dangers really lurk behind those glowing eyes? I, for one, hope Mr. Schreiber continues to give us more adventures of the deliciously terrifying space horror narratives. Sign me up, sir. I'm ready.
Shooting.
So what are we gonna do about this?
I don't want to do anything about this.
Someone's gotta do something about this.
Why don't you do it?
Fine.
Well, that was freaky.